विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विश्वनाथ तंबाके सर. आज आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये इयत्ता 9वीतील माय इंग्लिश कोर्स बुक या विषयातील युनिट 3.2 द फॉल ऑफ ट्रॉय या पाठाचे मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स आणि इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपचा अभ्यास पाहणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन 1. हाऊ डिड द लोकेशन ऑफ ट्रॉय हेल्प इट टू ग्रो इनटू अ व्हेरी रिच ऑर प्रॉस्परस सिटी? ट्रॉय शहरांचा समृद्ध भरभराटीस आलेल्या शहरात विकास होण्यास ट्रॉय शहराचे स्थान कसे उपयोगी पडले? आन्सर. द सिटी वॉज वेल सिच्युएटेड फॉर कॉमर्स अँड ॲग्रिकल्चर. देअर शिप्स सेल्ड अँड कॅरीड गुड्स अँड ग्रेन्स ओव्हर द सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सिटी. Many rivers and streams flowed from the Mount Ida. Well-watered and fertile valleys among the hills grew corn in fertile fields. So, Troy became a rich or prosperous city. यापुढील प्रश्न. How were the Trojans protected? युद्धकाळात ट्रोजन जनतेचे संरक्षण कसे करत असे? Answer. The Trojans had built a strong wall around their city to prevent the enemy attack from the sea. The great gates of the wall were kept closed in time of war. They were safe from all attacks by the walls surrounding the city as well as by the hills behind the city. पुढील प्रश्न. What was the cause of the 10-year-old war between the Greeks and the Trojans? ग्रीक आणि ट्रोजन यांच्यामधील 10 वर्षे चाललेल्या युद्धाला कोणती गोष्ट कारणीभूत झाली? आन्सर. पॅरिस, a prince of Troy, had persuaded Helen, wife of Greek king Menelaus, to elope with him. Paris brought her to Troy. The Greeks wanted to take revenge on Troy and laid siege to the city. The fight began and the war continued for 10 long years. यापुढील प्रश्न. Who were the brave heroes on either side who were killed in the war? Answer. The brave heroes on either side who were killed in the war were Achilles from Greek side and Hector and Paris from Trojans. आता यानंतर इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपचा अभ्यास पाहूयात. क्वेश्चन 1. फाइंड अँटोनिम्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम द पॅसेज. दिलेल्या पॅसेजेसमधून खालील इंग्रजी शब्दांचे विरुद्धार्थी शब्द शोधून लिहा. उत्तर त्यापुढे दिलेले आहेत. 1. बॅरन, त्याचा आन्सर येतं फर्टाईल. बी. ऑफेंडेड, त्याचा अपोजिट वर्ड आहे प्लीज्ड. कावर्डली, ब्रेव्ह. पीस, वॉर. सरेंडर, अटॅक. एक्सपोज्ड, क्लोज्ड. आणि शेवटचा शब्द डिफेन्सलेस, त्याचा अपोजिट वर्ड येतो सेफ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. करेक्ट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस यूजिंग फॅक्ट्स फ्रॉम द पॅसेज. 1. Troy traded in cattle and grass with other cities. Answer. Troy traded in goods and grains. 2. During war, Trojans jumped over the fort gates and their soldiers to fight the enemy. Answer. During war, Trojans would close the doors of the fort. C. Helen escaped with Menelaus. Answer. Helen eloped with Paris, a prince of Troy. Next, D. The Greek armies and heroes always defeated the Trojans. Answer. Sometimes Trojans had the better of it and sometimes the Greek. E. Both the enemies were eager to continue fights. Answer. Trojans were tired of being shut up in their city and the Greeks were longing to see their homes again. Next, question F. Troy was attacked because it was a strong, rich city. Answer. Because the Greeks wanted to take revenge on Troy for the wrong done by Menelaus. Next, question number 3. State the counteraction for the following action. पुढील कृतीकरिता झालेल्या प्रतिक्रिया लिहा. 1. Helen eloped with Paris. Answer. Counteraction. The Greeks wanted to take revenge on Troy for wrong done to Menelaus. Number 2. The Greeks sailed to Troy and attacked it. Counteraction. The Trojans fought hard and the siege continued for 10 long years. C. Hector was killed by Achilles. Answer. Counteraction. Achilles himself was killed by poisoned arrow that entered his heel. D. The siege continued for 10 long years. Answer: counteraction. Greeks longed to see their homes again, and Trojans were tired of being shut up in the city. Next, E. The fighting went on daily. Answer: counteraction. Sometimes Trojans had the better and sometimes the Greeks. Greeks could not take the city and the Trojans could not force them to sail away. यानंतरचा प्रश्न क्रमांक 4. फ्रॉम आयदर ऑफ आवर टू इंडियन इपिक्स फाइंड आउट विच बॅटल और वॉर लास्टेड द लॉन्गेस्ट. राईट डाऊन अबाउट इट्स कॉज, द एनिमी आर्मीज, इट्स हिरोज, इट्स ड्युरेशन अँड द फायनल आउटकम. आपल्या दोन महाकाव्यांमधून कोणत्या महाकाव्यातील युद्ध किंवा लढाई सर्वात अधिक काळ चालली, त्या युद्धाचे कारण, शत्रूंचे सैन्य व त्यातील योद्धे, तसेच त्यांचा कालावधी व त्या युद्धांची निष्पत्ती काय झाली ते सांगा. आन्सर: महाभारत. कॉज: कौरवा टूक पोझेशन ऑफ द किंगडम ऑफ हस्तिनापूर फोर्सिबली, which rightfully belonged to Pandavas, and they were not ready to give even an inch of the land to Pandavas. The enemy armies, 100 Kaurava brothers and 5 Pandavas, were the enemies of each other. Next point, heroes. Dharma, it means Yudhishthir, Arjun, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev, Abhimanyu, Sri Krishna, Duryodhan, Dushasan, Karna were the great heroes. Next, duration. The war lasted for 18 days. Next, final outcome. The war ended in the victory of Pandavas. All mighty warriors from Kaurava's side except Ashwathama were killed.